Yes, people, let us start your second chapter. Sir, Securities and Exchange Board of India Act 1992. People, one thing I should have told you in the first chapter only, I skipped it. So, sir, first thing, people, whenever I'm telling capital market security laws, sir, should all the companies comply with this subject? Capital market security laws. Should all the companies in India should comply with this subject? Huh? No, not like that. Huh? Okay. People who were not in the first group, yeah, others try to answer. Should all the companies comply? Now, for example, ArivuPro is also a company. Should we listen to SEBI? Huh? Yes or no? Why? People who were not in first module try to answer. Huh? If you are in first module and if you are not able to answer, God, God save you. Huh? Yes, people. Should we follow? ArivuPro is a private company. Should I follow SEBI? Huh? Yes or no? No. Why? Why? Justification should be there, no? It's a private company. So people always remember, people. Sir, there are two types of company. Sir, one is I can call as listed company, or I can call to be listed company. When I say to be listed, that means in the process of listing. In the process of listing, application is made, all that is made. Sir, we are standing in the queue, sir. Yes, sir. Listed company, or you are in the process of listing. The other types of company, people, private company, or your unlisted public company. Unlisted public company. Yes, sir. So people, capital market, basically the security laws is applicable only and only to these people. Yes, sir. So whatever the entire subject you are seeing will be applicable only and only to these people. Your security laws and capital market is applicable to only these people. Sir, then what about them? For them, you have one subject in your first module. That is what you study, company law. That is your Companies Act. Is this clear? Yes, sir. Sir, end of the day, whether you are a listed company, unlisted company, private company, unlisted company, for you, company law is also applicable. Meaning what, sir? Just because you are Infosys, you are a listed company, sir, should I hold AGM? You have to hold AGM. Sir, what will be your quorum? Quorum is given in a Companies Act. Notice of AGM given in Companies Act. All of that is given in Companies Act. So if you are a listed company, for you both the laws will be applicable. I know what is there running in your mind. Sir, what if there is a fighting? Company law says one thing, capital market says one thing. Which one should we follow? Whenever there is a conflict between a special law and a general law, you should always follow a special law. That is a specific law. In this case, people, capital market will have a more weightage. And of course, we need to read the section also. In certain cases, they would have used the words like notwithstanding. Meaning what? If they have used that, then do not read any other section or any other act. This section only will prevail. Yeah, in certain sections, they would have written something called as subject to. That means I am an inferior person. If any other act or any other section is saying something, follow that, not me. The section only will have this. Clearly, they would have written it. Yes, sir. So this is what is the applicability of this particular chapter. That is your act. It is listed, capital market, sir, private or company, Companies Act. Is this clear, all of you? Clear? So people, I'll also tell you one thing. See, when I teach, of course, all the teachers come here, we teach. End of the day, I have taught all of you guys. It's not her or it's not some person specifically. People, few of them will pass, few of them will not pass. Nothing is there with the teacher people. Teacher is nothing. We will just tell you this is what it is. End of the day, people, professional courses are your courses. If you are not determined, no matter who sits here, I'm telling you seriously, no matter who sits here, two cases. One, today you may manage, tomorrow you will struggle. Yeah. So, sir, always the ball is in your court. Yeah. So what the extra efforts these people will go, you try to make use of that. What is the first thing? I'll tell you what a person who will pass, a person who will not pass. I'll tell you the common mistakes which people may do. A person who will pass, people will not skip any topic. At least have some knowledge and go. It will help you. Why? It will give you confidence that you know everything in the book. What maximum will he ask? You know everything. You know everything. What else he will ask? You can write something at least. You will get at least 2 marks. 2 marks is better than 0, no? Yes, sir. Second one, people. Go that extra limit to see what is there. Question papers. Solve the previous year question papers. You do your research. That will definitely help you. Yes, sir. The third one. First time itself, no one will understand. You ask any person, when you read the module first time, did you guys understand? After doing only, did you guys understand? You would have known the concepts, but the language will definitely be difficult. You need not have to rewrite everything, but at least you need to be in a position to at least write what is there here. Sir, nothing is there here, then it will be difficult, correct? Okay, said that, let us start. End of the day, all of you should clear, people, that's all, correct? It's not for you, but it's for your time. All of you are serious. I know you guys will get up, you guys will come, you have your own problems, you have your age might be a problem in certain places. Sir, I need to earn, your income might be a problem. In leaving all that, you will come here. So when you are here, do not think of anything else. When you're sitting in a movie 3 hours, you will forget everything. You will concentrate. It is with you only, no? You will only concentrate, no? Whether if it is a bad movie also, you will feel but you can't think of anything else, correct? Everything is with you end of the day. Yeah. So what you do, you try to inculcate some interest towards this subject. Any subject it is. Start enjoying the subject. Second one, acceptance is a boon in your life. Accept it. Sir, lengthy, accept it. The syllabus won't change. If you crib, will the syllabus change? Will the board come and change your pattern? Things will not change. When things won't change, what can be changed is your attitude. Agreed or not? That is what is there in your hand. No? You guys can change. So come to the curriculum. It is not degree. It is not your PU. Most of you would have realized. You know your mistakes now. Correct? All of you. As I always tell you, same thing. When you guys come early, some person come get a topic. You guys have written everything. Take one person initiate a topic. Say, let us discuss something. You guys can complete a discussion, no? Try to read at least minimum 3 times. 3 revisions mandatory. Okay. Sir, next chapter, people. Sir, SEBI. Sir, SEBI, sir. All of us know this, sir. SEBI. Correct? Okay, sir. People, okay, why we got SEBI, what happened and all. People back then, somewhere during 1985, yeah, there were people called as, these dalals and all. Sir, what used to happen? There used to be one instrument called as R and F. Yeah, it is called what is that? Real and forward or something. It's there. R and F instruments. It used to be there back then. Yes, sir. Now, what used to happen? The government of India, whenever they wanted to borrow money, whenever they had deficit of money, sir, this deficit of money, they used to come to banks. So who, sir? The government of India, whatever we saw in your RBI chapter, when they have a deficit, they used to come to banks and they used to give a bond. Yeah, and the bank used to give money to this government of India. Yes. Now, sir, people, this bond used to get circulated amongst the banks. Now, if I have to give you an example, ICICI Bank got the bond from government of India. Now, ICICI Bank wants further money, immediate money, discounting of bill. Now, what they used to do? They used to go in search of another bank. Now, this another bank used to take that bond. They used to take some commission. They used to repay this money to this bank. Sir, and another bank. This used to happen. And finally, government of India used to take back the instrument and maturity used to happen. Followed so far? All of you? Hey, followed. Followed. Even I'll talk like that. Works, then tell. Sir, government of India gives some bond. Sir, it used to give it to banks. The banks used to further transfer amongst themselves. So generally, you can call it as discounting. So the government of India will get the money from the bank. The government of India has issued a bond. Come back after 3 months, I will pay you money. But these banks will have a immediate shortfall of your money. So they will transfer to one more bank, one more bank, one more bank. They will charge their commission. Finally, it will go to again government of India. Clear? Sir, back then, 1985, all this, did it happen on its own? No. In between all these people, there used to be one person called as Dalal. Yes, sir. The buyer and the seller bank. Yeah. Now the bank has this bond. Correct? Or any security for that matter. I'm just giving you the example of this bond here. Any security for that matter. What they used to do, the bank used to call this Dalal and the bank used to tell, I want money and I have this security. Can you sell this for me and get me some money? So what they used to do, they used to give this security to the Dalal. What did the Dalal used to say? Okay, I want 30 to 40 days time. Yes, sir. Now, end of the day, people, they are Dalals. They already had the buyers in the queue, standing in the queue. They were readily accepting the bond, whatever he had. So, sir, the moment he got the security people, there used to be always a buyer who is ready to take the securities. Okay. Now, what they used to do, people, there used to be a buyer. So what he will do, immediately he will go and he will sell this instrument to the buyer. Yeah. And to the buyer, whatever is the money, he will take that money. That money was not given to the bank immediately. Why? He has told him, no, sir, I want 30 to 40 days time. So, sir, they used to do this in a lot of places. Okay, now what will they do? By doing this, money is there, corpus is accumulated. Sir, now whatever the money they had, they used to invest in stock exchange. Sir, how? People, demand and supply. There used to be shares. Now what they will do? They will choose one stock. And sir, people periodically, they used to be group of dalals. They will choose one stock. Every day, one or the other dalal will buy those shares. Every day they buy. People demand. Sir, they will take it. And in between, if any of the bank or any of the person asks for money, they will sell it, take the money, give him off, and again go, again get, again they used to repeat the circle. Take the share to the top. Yes, sir. This used to go on, people. Aram say it went. In 1991, people, there was one of the recession again which we saw. In 1991, there was one recession. In that recession, what happened? All of a sudden, the money in circulation was very, very less. All the banks wanted the money back. Now what happened? They put the pressure on the dalals. Now what did this dalal do? Especially there were many dalals people, but this person specifically in between, dalal, his mind was extra genius. Now how many securities will the banks have? Like some 5 or 10 banks have this security. Now this dalal, he went a step ahead. What did he do? He printed his own securities. Just like Government of India, he created a fake certificates. Yes sir, and same thing, give take money, give take money. And he also told the banks, do not go to Government of India, I will only come and redeem those securities. So he did all this, end of the day sir, there was one stock, people, I'm telling you, try to visualize. There was one stock, the price of the stock was, people, 200 rupees. I'm talking about 90s. Sir, they had taken this stock so high, it had reached the price of 9,000 rupees, people. Sir, fundamentals totally weak. Nothing was there. Only buy and sell. Because of lot of demand, the share had become 9,000 rupees. Yes, sir. Now what they will do? They have entered the market at 200, 400, 500. When the prices increases, they will dump and they will come out. Now the company does not have potential to grow. When people will dump, it will start falling. That is how a share market will crash. Yes, sir. IRCTC, this is what happened. IRCTC does not have so much of fundamentals to become 6,000. It is just happening because of the sentiment, market sentiment. On October 28th, there is a share split. IRCTC is splitting. For every one share, I believe you are getting 5 shares. Yeah, now because of that, people are thinking it is a positive thing, it is going on. Yeah, but the company does not have so much good fundamentals and all. Okay, sir. Now, people, all this used to happen, people. So during 1991, there was this recession. All the banks started asking for the money back. So, sir, now this person had no other option. He could not sell. Why, sir? Recession, the stocks had already started crashing down. So when they had entered and whatever is the price, it is not matching. It is already a loss. So the total money was only gone. And end of the day, yes, sir, the entire scam came in front of the media. There was one person called, I forgot her name, some dalal. Yeah, she was the first person to report about this dalal. Suchita. Yes, sir. So she was the first person to report about this dalal in Times of India, saying that this is what is happening. This person is increasing the prices of the stocks for no reason. Yes. Yes, sir. So, sir, this person, end of the day, is none other than your Harshad Mehta. Yes, sir. This person is none other than your Harshad Mehta. Like this people, he has done so many scams. Sir, on the day he was arrested, people, there were totally 682 cases filed against him. Sir, in that almost 70 cases were criminal. Sir, and I think in the year 1999 or 2000, this person passed away. He was also called as Amitabh Bachchan of stock market. Yeah, I'm telling you, 1990s, he had all the expensive things you can imagine. Yes, sir. So people, even in the year 2000, this person passed away. Yes, sir. Because no, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is a trader. See, because he buys, the people will buy. Yeah, but Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, he does it everything legitimately, legally. Whatever are the approvals to be taken, he takes that and he will invest. Yes, sir. So people, even on the day he passed away while he was in prison, even on the day he passed away, there were still around 28 cases which he had to still undergo trial. That is, proceedings should have still happened. 28 cases were still pending on him. Yes, sir. So this is your Arshad Mehta's case. Yes, sir. Okay. So, sir, so Arshad Mehta showed us a world what and all can be done. Back then, no one was there to take care. Sir, because of that is why you are studying this particular chapter called as SEBI. Yes, sir. So all the places people they had scrutinized, all the places very tight. They were not leaving anything because this person has taken those places where there are loopholes in the law. So he has made use of that. So this is what happened in the case of Arshad Mehta. This is clear, all of you. Okay, sir. Back then, SEBI had no power. 92, SEBI was only not there. Where is power? Yeah. Okay, sir. Write down, people. Sir, objective of SEBI. Why did we form SEBI, sir? Any good reason, sir? There are 3 reasons why we formed SEBI. Objective of SEBI. There are 3. To protect the interest of investors in securities. To protect the interest of investors in securities. That's all. It comes to an end. When a person dies, when he's still in trial and there are cases still pending, what else? You can't pass it on to their legal heirs, no? Yeah. Okay, sir. Next one. To promote, except in one place. In one place, your criminal offense will carry on. In one country, whatever, say for example, there was a grandfather, he would have been imprisoned for 30 years. He passed away after 10 years. The 20 years will pass on. There is only one country. Write down. To promote the development of securities market. To promote the development of securities market. The third one, to regulate the securities market. To regulate the securities market and matters connected with it. Okay, objectives of SEBI. Google. Which country? If I say there is one very tough country, which country you guys can think of? Okay, North Korea. It will go up to 3 generations. You know one thing, forget about grandfather dying. A punishment only will be passed in a way that all 3 generations will be punished. So the grandfather will be in jail, father will be in jail, even in the son, that is the 3rd generation can also be put in jail. 3 generations can be punished. North Korea is very difficult, people. Very difficult. Even a pickpocket can put you in prison for 5 years, 6 years and all. North Korea is a hell. Yeah, okay. Sir, objectives of SEBI people. Sir, objectives of SEBI people, these are the questions which can be asked for 3 marks. Yeah, okay. Sir, objective of SEBI to protect the interest of investors. Arshad Mehta did so much. People, by the way, that 200 to 9,000 rupees, the share ACC Cement. Have you heard of that ACC Cement? That share only. Yes, sir. So, to protect the interest of investors in securities. So, if such things happen, will you guys invest in stock market? Sir, imagine if you had purchased ACC thinking it is a good stock at 9,000. People, that stock in a span of 1 week, it came to 330 rupees. 9,330. For 100 rupees, people will become beggars. If 100 rupees falls, people will become beggars. If at all 9,000 rupees and all falls, this only, nothing else. I'm not kidding. People, there are so many scams where people have committed suicide. You have no other go. So much of money would have been invested. Yes, sir. So, if such things happen, will you trust in the securities market? No. SEBI was created with an objective of protecting the interest of the investors. Clear, sir? Okay, sir. Second one. Meanwhile, it also has a duty to develop. So, to promote the development of securities market. So, if you guys can compare, sir, depositories came until then physical. So, now they are developing, right? It is promoting. Sir, ASBA facility, I told you, back then people, 14,000 or, I mean, generally there will be share application money. You should have first paid. You should first apply. If at all you get allotment, the money will come back to you. 3 months, 4 months, 14,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees, you never used to get back. 4 months, 5 months. Today, people, it will be in your account only. No doubt. It is a development, technologically and all development, sir, to promote the development of securities market. When I'm doing so much, it also has a power to regulate the securities market, regulating by imposing penalties, imposing laws, whether if you don't do, I'll come and hit you, telling all that. Sir, it is regulating the stock market, securities market. Is this clear? Protect the interest of investors, very important. Protect the interest of investors, promote development of securities market, regulate securities market. Yes, rattam are here only. Protect the interest of investor, promote development, regulate securities market. Clear, all of you? Awesome, sir. Now, sir, the next one, composition of SEBI. Again, sir, here and there 3 marks question. They have asked composition of SEBI. Composition of SEBI. Sir, who is that first person, sir? There is always one chairman. There is one chairman. Okay, sir. Next, sir, there are 2 members. There are 2 members. From where, sir? Those 2 members are from Ministry of Central Government dealing with finance and administration. Finance and Administration of Companies Act 2013. From Ministry of Central Government dealing with Finance and Administration of Companies Act 2013. So the next person, there are total 4. Sir, next one member from RBI. One member from RBI. The next one, sir, 5 members. 5 members appointed by central government, in which 3 shall be whole-time members. 3 shall be whole-time members. Clear, sir? Sir, composition, SEBI, end of the day, who sits in SEBI, sir? Sir, SEBI, there are total 4 categories. Who are they, sir? First one chairman, people. One chairman. Sir, next one, people, if you try, people, composition, came in EBCL, composition is coming here. This is where mind will go. You guys can't remember over a certain, now that day you guys remember. Today, if I ask you what is the composition of RBI, will you be able to tell? Come on, auction, let us start. How much? How much? 20. Once. 15. Twice. 14. Ah. Ah. First chapter. First page. Bouncer. And you guys have, now there is, today only we'll be doing 2 compositions. Yeah, there is SAT also. What are you trying to prove, sir? Nothing. Promise. Okay. Okay. Sir, composition of SEBI, people one chairperson. One chairperson. Always people chairperson will be one. Do not get confused in that also. If they are asking anything, write off one chairperson. If you don't know also, it's okay because there will be one chairperson. Sir, next one, members. Sir, 2 members. Okay, from where? They are from the Ministry of Central Government. Okay, which ministry? The ministry dealing with Finance and Administration of Companies Act. From the Companies Act, whichever is the ministry, 2 people will be taken. And they will come here and they are the 2 members. So, sir, 2 members from Ministry of Central Government dealing with Finance and Administration of your Companies Act. Yes, sir. 2 members. Okay, 3 are done. Sir, 4th one from RBI. Yes, sir. So, sir, how many are done? Sir, 4 are done. Sir, next 5 members, sir. The 5 members are appointed by central government, in which 3 are whole time members. Is this clear, people? All of you. Sir, in total, there are 9, sir. Wherever you see composition, write down the number there only. You guys can at least think of it. Okay, 9. Okay, 1 was chairperson. Something you guys can relate. Yeah, you will be able to remember. Clear? Okay, sir. 1 chairperson, 2 member, Ministry of Central Government dealing with the Finance and Administration of Companies Act, 1 from RBI, 5 Central Government, 3 full-time members. Clear? Okay, sir. The next one. Sir, functions and powers of functions and powers of SEBI people. Functions and powers of SEBI. Sir, functions and powers of SEBI. SEBI has the function of whatever that we'll see, section 11. Sir, next one. To regulate or prohibit issue of prospectus, offer document, advertisement, soliciting money for issue of securities. I told you, whenever a company is going for listing, you just saw one face of it. That is, you are filing an application with the stock exchange. But the listing process you have not yet seen. So we'll see it with regards to SEBI, the listing mechanism. Yes, sir. So to regulate or prohibit issue of prospectus, offer document, or your advertisement, this is always with regards to your IPO or your FPOs. Yes, sir. Next one, to regulate collective investment schemes. You have a chapter on this. We'll be doing in detail there. Sir, power to issue directions and levy penalty. People, power to issue directions and levy penalty. So wherever it is deems fit that you guys are going wrong, it can be intermediaries, stock exchanges, whoever comes under SEBI. It can direct them to do certain things. If they are not doing it, there will be penalties. Yes, sir. The next one, investigation. If you are not conducting your affairs properly, I have the authority to conduct an investigation into the affairs of your business. You can be a stock exchange, you can be an intermediary, you can be any person. Yes, sir. The last one, cease and desist orders. What does cease and desist? Where did you see this? CCI, yeah? CCI.
When there is a cartel.
Okay, sir. The first one, sir. The first order that can be passed is cease and desist, sir. Okay. What is cease and desist?
To stop and not to continue.
Sir, cease and do not again continue. Do not restart it. That is cease and desist order. Same thing can be passed here also. Is this clear, all of you? Okay, sir. So, sir, functions of SEBI, we'll see that. Next one, regulate or prohibit issue of prospectus, regulate collective investment scheme, power to issue directions and levy penalty, investigation, seize and desist proceedings. Clear? Okay. Sir, under functions of SEBI, we have certain things. What is that? Write down. They have not asked all these people, but in your book it is very, 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 very lengthy. They have not asked it at all. And it is not even a place where it can be asked, but said that we cannot leave anything. So what I am making you guys write sufficient for 5 marks. Whatever is required, we'll write that. If they ask you for 5 marks, whatever is required, we'll write. All the topics are covered like that only, so that you guys will be confident enough. You will not leave anything. Functions of SEBI. Functions of SEBI. End of the day, the same thing. To protect interest of investors, interest of investors, promote and regulate securities market, promote and regulate securities market. So to do this, SEBI has these functions. Yes, sir. To achieve its object, SEBI has these functions. What is that? So measures taken by SEBI. Yes, sir. The first one, regulating business in securities market. Regulating the business in securities market. Simple one. So it regulates the business. Regulate means what, people? Watchdog. Whatever is the lawmaker, whatever is the actions to be taken, it will take it. Regulate the business in securities market. Next one, sir, registering the intermediaries. Who are these intermediaries? Who are these intermediaries, people? Registering the intermediaries. Always remember one thing, in stock market there is no one person. If you are doing anything with regards to stock market, you have to be registered. Without registering with SEBI, you cannot be an intermediary. Okay, now the question is, who are these intermediaries? Sir, intermediaries are brokers. That is what maximum we can think of. People, there are at least 10 to 15 people under this. For example, underwriter is also an intermediary. Till now I used to tell you something called as depository. Even he is an intermediary. Depository, participant, intermediary. And you will be seeing much more people. There is someone called as merchant bankers. There are someone called as registrar to issue. End of the day, people, regarding your intermediaries, there is one chapter only. What, sir? That is what is your capital market. The last part, sir, the 30 marks, you will be seeing about them in detail. Yeah. Even if not, people, you will be seeing about each of them here and there. In the process, this person will keep coming. Clear? Okay, sir. So the people whom you guys can think of here, I think you guys would know broker. Yes, sir. Sub-broker, basically working under a broker. Yes, sir. Whom else you can think of? Trustee. The mutual fund and all we saw. Underwriter. Portfolio managers. Merchant bankers. Okay. Whom else you know? Credit rating agency. Yes, sir. Credit rating agency, you know. Today we have seen, Noda. In one place I have told you also, sir. AA negative and all. Standard and poor. Sir, that is, sir. You don't do all this, sir. FII, okay, foreign institutional investor. People, ADR, GDR. Do you remember the process? Custodian, depository. Remember these two people? Most of them you know then. Yes, even more you will be learning. Yeah, I'm not telling you to rattamar everything here only, but yes, it will happen. It is a process. Okay, so registering the intermediaries. So what should I do, sir? You have to come and give a application, fees. I will give you a certificate, registration. Clear, sir? Okay. Sir, third one. Sir, prohibiting what? I will prohibit two things. One is fraud and unfair trade practices. Arshad Mehta, unfair trade practices, and also I will prohibit insider trading. So SEBI takes measures to prohibit fraudulent transactions and unfair trade practices, and it tries to prohibit insider trading. Insider trading, people, we have a topic we'll be doing in detail, but for you to understand on the face of it, just remember, people, insider trading means you know a news which the entire world does not know. I repeat, you know something about a company, you know some news about a company, and that news is known only to you. The entire world does not know it yet. And by knowing that news, you will take advantage of it. Sir, give us an example. Now people assume Tata, the Air India, this one is happening. Tata is taking over that Air India. Correct, sir? Now people imagine you were a KMP, you were a director. So in your board meetings, you were discussing, let us take over Air India. So all the while you know that you are going to take over. People, because of that news, that day I told you the Tata Motors and all went, it just crashed, people. I mean, sorry, it just took off. The entire Tata stocks were up. Now people, because of you knowing that information, you purchase the shares well in advance. Why? Because you know that the shares are going to go up. So you will take an advantage of that information which the others do not know. That is called as insider trading. Insider, a person in the company knows some information. He is taking an advantage of that information. Clear, all of you? Okay, next one, sir, promote investor education, and training of intermediaries. Window dressing is covering up. Patching up is called as window dressing. What if a person gives money to SEBI not to find the fact? You mean to say bribe? Won't happen. It can't happen. Impossible. Yeah. Now, if your question is that, sir, what if Supreme Court judge takes money? The last person you can go to. Yeah. Okay. Yes, people, promote the investor education. So just like coming and telling ads, mutual fund are subject to market risk. Please invest with your own knowledge. Yeah, sir, why is that coming in your advertisements, in your movies and all? Why? To investor education. They will tell, you can't listen to what they are telling, but they will tell something and go. Why, sir? Papa people, they have to pay per slot. The time, no, whatever the time they play an ad, they have to pay for that. And you are telling government, this is the problem with government. You know, that is not free. Now, for example, assume some insurance company or some mutual fund company, they want to come and tell this. You're telling it is a mandate. But whatever is the charges, that is not waived off. You have to pay for it. Because all these ads are dependent upon your duration. You have to pay. You can waive off. No, that we don't do. Yeah. Not sure. Not sure, Sushma. I need to look. See, generally all this may not happen. I'm not telling sir, you say that they can't take bribe at all. See, anything can happen. End of the day, even he is an individual. He is a person. If he takes, what else we can do? Yeah, that is something which, end of the day, if you can prove, authorities are there, no? SAT is there, Supreme Court is there. So if you can prove, yes, you can go against that person. Yes, sir. Okay, write down. Next one. So the next one is called as regulate SAST. Substantial acquisition of shares and takeover. Do not write or do not read anything else about this now. We have a regulation for that. We'll be seeing in detail. Yeah. Substantial acquisition of shares and takeover. You will use it so frequently, you will know, okay, this is at SAST. Power of SEBI. Power of SEBI, similar to civil court. One place you remember, take my word and go, you will get at least 3 marks. Any subject you will get 3 marks. Pakka. Somewhere you will get. So remember this and go. Power of civil court. Yeah. So now you get to know, you need to rattamar this. Every word you need to know. Yeah. Okay, sir. Sir, here, sir. SEBI measures on completion or pending of investigation or inquiry. SEBI measures on completion or pending of investigation or inquiry. Sir, pending, sir, investigation is happening, inquiry is happening. What measures will SEBI take? SEBI can do these things. Yes, sir. Okay, what are that? First one, suspend trading of any security. So what is happening, people? Sir, SEBI has conducted some inquiry or investigation. Whether it is completed or it is pending, sir, no matter what, we can do these things. What SEBI can have all these measures. First one, it can suspend the trading of any security. Yes, people. Can you think of what is the grounds for delisting? Write and think. Suspend. While writing, can you say one point? Office bearers of, first one, what was the first point? Stock exchange, loss for 3 years and negative net worth. Sir, suspend office bearers of stock exchange. Sir, office bearers. You remember office bearers? Sir, we gave bylaws plus rules. In that there were someone called as office bearers. Sir, you can remove them. Suspend office bearers of stock exchange. Sir, restrain person from accessing securities market. Sir, Arshad Mehta. Arshad Mehta was permanently restrained, people, not suspension. They don't even look this side. I'll take one big latte and hit you. Yes, so restrain. Restrain means what, people? Stop. You are putting one condition. Restrain. Stop a person from accessing a securities market. Clear? Okay, sir. Next one. Sir, attach bank accounts or property of intermediary or any person involved in violation. Attach bank accounts or property of intermediary or any person involved in violation. Meaning whatever the money made, I can take that money. Attach means what? You will be not able to withdraw any money. Yes? Okay, sir. The next one, direct intermediary or any person not to alienate an asset, under investigation. Alienate means, people, sell. Restrain means stop. Okay. Sir, SEBI measures. So people, whenever there is investigation completed, it can suspend trading of any security. So suspend the office bearers of stock exchange, restrain any person from accessing the securities market, attach the bank account or property of intermediary or any person. If they have done any violation, I can take their money. I can attach their properties. Sir, that last one, direct an intermediary or any person not to alienate. Now, for example, where is your account? Sir, my account is in Upstocks. Now, you have done any violation. SEBI will give a instruction to Upstocks. Do not let this person sell his shares. Freeze it. Direct intermediary or any person not to alienate an asset under investigation. Yes, sir. So it can be intermediaries, it can be any persons or the accounts managed by them. They cannot sell any security, shares, money. They can't do anything when SEBI has given an order. Is this clear, all of you? Pakka? Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, okay. SEBI measures. Sir, other functions. Sir, to regulate, prohibit or issue of prospectus. All this you will be seeing in one or the other place in detail. Do not give much importance also. Sir, to regulate collective investment scheme, we'll be seeing. To issue directions and levy penalty. Penalty we will be seeing. One or two I'll tell you. Little important ones. Investigations we'll read. Cease and desist. Cease and desist, sir. Cease means stop. Desist, do not do it again. Sir, SEBI can order cease and desist to any person who has violated. But if SEBI wants to order this for a listed company or a public company which is intending to get listed under the process, it can order them cease and desist only on the grounds of insider trading or market manipulation. So, sir, in general, SEBI can order cease and desist for any person. But if they want to order cease and desist for a listed company or a public company under the process of listing, they can order a cease and desist for these two only under the ground that first one is insider trading, second one is market manipulation. Is this clear, all of you? Okay, chalo. Okay, go for a break.